Hey you guys, I'm going to show you some tips on how to grind the concrete. I just made up this jig here so you can see. Let's take a look at this here and see what I've done. Okay. This is a standard angle grinder. And I connect the hose to a standard garden hose. So, I just open this valve here slightly. And water is going to start coming out from this side. What you want to do, you want to adjust the flow of water. Now, by doing this, you avoid having dust in the area or in the place where you're working. Because when you try to grind down the concrete, you're going to produce a lot of dust. And with this method here, the dust is reduced. Now, or there's no dust at all. Now, another problem you have, now you have water to deal with. So, what you do, you set up a wet and dry vacuum, which is over here. So as you're working, turn on the vacuum. So you can continue. You have one hand on the vacuum and the other hand on the angle grinder. So let's look back at the angle grinder again. So you just regular tape I use, and I just let the hose come out right in front. So as I'm grinding it, I make sure the water falls in the spot, and then you just turn it right. Also, you want to use a set of rolling knee pads for this project. Let me show you the rolling knee pad. This one I picked up at Amazon. I don't remember the price, but it should be there. So you have some wheels here. How much? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. And this one works really well because you don't want to go on your back and try to use a standard knee pad. You don't want to use a standard knee pad for this because you're doing tiling. So you want to be able to roll around. It's very smooth. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to take down piece of the ground, piece of the cement that's already there. Had old tile that's on there. So I want to take that out, the old tin set. So let's look at it. This part right here, all this here is old tin set. This right here is old tin set. So you want to get it smooth. If you have a little bump here, all this stuff is going to affect the tile. So I was just doing this small piece in here. And I'll do this piece right here for a demonstration to show you how well this thing works. And no dust. You don't need a dust mask. Once you have the water covered on it and you vacuum it up, you don't have any mess. No water, excess water running all over the place. So let's try this. Let's zoom it in. All right, okay, let's take a look at this now. See what it looks like. It's nice and smooth. So now when you lay your tiles, the ground is going to be very smooth, and you don't have any dust. You don't have any dust flying around in the area, and plus you don't have any water either because you're going to vacuum it as you go. Hope this tip was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.